Sound of vowel I words. Sound of vowel I words. Okay. ZIP. Jeep. Good. Go. IT. Very good. HIT. Hit. PIN. Very good. KID. Good. Very good. PIN. NIB. Nib. Very good. Go. Very good. FIT. Fit. Very good. Very good. TIN. DIP. KIT. Kit. Very good. Fin fish के होता है. Wig. What is the meaning of wig?
नकली बाल.
Nakli baal. Good. Very good. Ladies means dakkan.
Sound of vowel I.
As you know, we already done it. हमने पहले ये कर लिया है. Vowel I sound word. With the use of I, we can make these words. I का use कर हम ये words बना सकते हैं. Okay. NIB. KID. BIN. HIT. ZIP. PIN. MID. DIG. Okay, with the use